In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Spotify Bass Boost. If you love music with a deep, full low end, boosting the bass can make your playlists sound richer and more immersive. We'll walk through how to turn this on directly inside Spotify and how to fine-tune it so it complements your headphones or speakers without causing distortion. Start by opening Spotify on your device and heading to your profile. From there, go into Settings. On many versions, you'll find your profile or the gear icon in the top corner. Settings is where Spotify keeps all of your playback and audio options, and that's exactly what we need. Next, scroll until you find the playback section and look for Equalizer. The Equalizer is the tool that lets you shape how different parts of the sound are emphasized, from deep lows to crisp highs. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling within playback. Some versions place it slightly differently, but it's there. Once you're in the Equalizer, enable it. Turning it on activates Spotify's audio shaping controls, so your changes will take effect while you listen. You might notice your sound change immediately. That's expected and a sign that the Equalizer is working. Now, for the bass boost itself, you have two simple options. If your version of Spotify offers a bass boost preset, select that. It's an easy, one-tap way to emphasize the low frequencies. If the preset isn't available, or you want more control, manually raise the sliders on the left side of the Equalizer. Those leftmost sliders control the low frequencies. Think of them as the sub-bass and bass ranges. Gently nudge them upward, then play a familiar track to hear the difference. Move in small increments and listen between adjustments. The goal is to add warmth and punch without muddying the vocals or overpowering the mids and highs. A few quick tips as you dial this in. If you start hearing buzzing, crackling, or a boomy, unfocused low end, ease the sliders back a bit. Different headphones and speakers handle bass differently, and very small speakers can't reproduce deep bass as well as larger ones, so moderation helps keep everything clean and clear. Also, keep your overall volume at a comfortable level while you tweak, so what you hear is accurate and easy to evaluate. That's it. Open Spotify, go to Settings, find the Equalizer in playback, enable it, and choose a bass boost preset or raise the low-frequency sliders manually. Enjoy a deeper, more satisfying sound, and remember, subtle adjustments often deliver the most musical results.